Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Collective2, one of the most talked about copy trading and automated strategy platforms in the trading world right now. If you've ever wanted to follow professional traders, build your own strategy portfolio, or even earn money by letting others copy your trades, then this video is going to be worth every second. We'll be talking about what Collective2 is, how it works, its main features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and finally, a balanced conclusion on why many traders consider it to be one of the best platforms in 2025. Collective2, often abbreviated as C2, is a social trading and strategy marketplace that connects traders who create trading systems with investors who want to automatically follow and copy these systems. But unlike many other copy trading platforms, Collective2 isn't a broker. It doesn't hold your money or execute trades on your behalf directly. Instead, it acts as a bridge between you and your broker. So here's how it works in simple terms. There's a strategy manager, also called a trade leader, that creates and publishes a trading system on Collective2. Then there are investors that can browse these public strategies. They can check out their performance stats and choose the ones that they want to follow. And once subscribed, investors can automatically replicate these trades in their own brokerage accounts through Collective2's auto trade technology. Now let us talk about the main features. Strategy Marketplace. The first thing you see when you log in is the Strategy Marketplace, which lists hundreds of different trading systems. Each strategy has its own detailed performance page showing different metrics, and you can filter and sort by asset class, performance, risk level, or duration. It's extremely helpful because you can compare strategies side by side. For example, maybe you want a future strategy with less than 10% drawdown, or a forex strategy with over 70% winning trades. Every strategy shows how long it's been active. It shows its equity curve and even how it performed in different market conditions. So this gives you real transparency, not just marketing claims. There's also the trade leader tools for strategy managers. If you are a trader or algorithm developer, Collective2 gives you a full suite of tools to publish and manage your own trading strategy. You can send your trades manually through the website, automatically via API, or connect your trading platform directly so trades are transmitted in real time. And once published, subscribers can see your results and choose to follow you. You can also set a subscription price. Auto trade feature. For investors, this is where the magic happens. The auto trade system allows you to mirror a strategy's trades directly in your own brokerage account. You connect your brokerage to Collective2, choose the strategy you want to follow, and the system executes the same trades automatically and in real time. Risk metrics and transparency. One thing Collective2 really deserves credit for is its detailed transparency. Every strategy page shows a ton of risk data: the maximum drawdown, the average trade size, the trade duration, volatility, and more. They also have a list of supported brokers on the platform because their technology is compatible with many brokerage firms. Of course, the broker that you would choose will depend on the kind of strategy that you want to trade. There's the Trader Broker, Interactive Brokers, AMP, IG, Ninja Trader, Tradovate, and lots more others. There are also platforms that Collective2 supports. Platforms like WebTrader, QuantConnect, Ninja Trader, TradeStation, and also MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. Now let us talk about the pricing. One important aspect of pricing is a subscription plan. There's a starter plan at $19 per strategy per month. There's the $39 own, which is the basic plan, $39 per strategy per month. There's a 14-day free trial for this one, and you don't need a credit card. And there's the premium plan, which is the most popular, at $99 per month. If you want to ask more questions about the pricing, you can call this number on the pricing page. What are the pros and cons of using Collective2? Let's start with the pros. Full transparency. You can see every trade, every drawdown, every win and loss. You control your funds. Your money never leaves your brokerage accounts. And there's a diverse marketplace. You find all kinds of strategies, from day trading and swing trading to algorithmic systems and long-term trend followers. How about the cons? The fees might be high. And with copy trading, you need to be sure of who you're copying. So, is Collective2 worth it in 2025? Well, I'd say yes as a short answer, but only if you use it wisely. Collective2 stands out for its transparency, flexibility, and dual-purpose design because it's both a trading business platform for professionals and an investing opportunity for subscribers. In 2025, with so much emphasis on algorithmic and data-driven trading, Collective2 has positioned itself as one of the most trustworthy and customizable strategy marketplaces. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Zulu Trade, Traders Post, and Signal Starts. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.